That's the newest addition to campus.
Wow.
So that's in like honor of the alumni.
How old do you think the shirt is?
Oh,
Yeah.
77, 78.
Yeah.
Got it? Excellent. Good morning, everyone. Got it? Thank you. Get started with our program.
Thanks to those who have already participated in this campaign. Your continues to serve as the center of 31.
Yeah.
I think I might have painted his eyes.
Yeah, I think you did.
Campus Town continues to prosper and offer benefits.
Yeah, because they could dog hopping. How are you? Hurry up. There's a bunch Come on, Liz. Bill Willie, get in here. This one is not yes. Oh shit, you know what? Steve Sullivan dragged them in, give them a beer, and then like throw them out another floor. And at one point, this is what was here.
Wow.
We made the woman into a man, and we covered the woman with the word people. It was like this all year. This was the bathroom. It was completely gender neutral.
See the picture?
It was gender neutral.
It was general neutral.
1976, we started gender neutral for 2 years.
Yes.
Only this floor.
This was an intentional democratic community where we basically set up our own guidelines and rules. And we did things like we cleaned the bathrooms ourselves, and we were paid by the housing authority to do those kinds of cleaning, which at the time in $1977 was about $10,000. So we got $5,000 as a floor to clean it, which that was a lot of money. And we spent that as for parties and camping trips and things like that.
Look at this, Willie.
It's nice to see, though, that the paintings have continued. They've been replaced since we were here, but there are paintings on the wall, and
It was?
it's wonderful to see. The room numbering is all the same, and the colors of the doors are still the same as from when we were here back in the 70s. We used to have parties in the floor lounge quite often, and the floor lounge is now quad with 4 people living in it, but when we were here, we had parties probably every other Thursday in that floor lounge. And we had many camping trips that we all went on together. The college owned an off-site camping trip at Camp Mohican. They had, and that's up along the Appalachian Trail, so we used to go up there and go camping.
Are you still in Jersey?
All good memories.
These people were here in 77, 78. How's life on the floor these days?
Well, the floor's pretty close. We have like floor meetings and stuff, so we all get to know each other pretty easily, and we're all pretty close actually. So yeah, it's nice. Yeah, living with like a lot of other people.
Here we are. Here we go.
Is there any that the bed is different?
Oh, the bed is different.
But the desks and the chairs.
The dresser is the same. Oh, look, the dresser is the
Today. How about that?